Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya and I'm your anchor, I'm your host and look, my channel is all about to solve your problem. Look, I think I am the only one making content creator who really want that my audience can speak a very fluent speaking English, and I have a lot of experience so that I can give my 15 and 20 audience which you are going to school, and as I told that no school and no college and no coaching institute will teach you this kind of thing, because this is the thing which actually build yourself. This is the thing which come from experience, come from life lesson. And look, when I was your age, I really think that I have to today, what I'm today and what I'm then, it's like a sky and earth difference. Okay, and today's topic is sex education. As I told you, no school, no college will teach you this kind of. And look, this is the general problem. This is the general problem which every day you are routine life, and this is the thing that is still in taboo in India. We are youngster, we are young people. We don't have to shame on this thing, and we really have to discuss these things. You know what? There are 1,000 of disease which everyone suffering. Okay, and no one. People. I look. Everyone want to do it, but no one want to talk about it. Just because dignity. Yeah. What neighbors, what our parents, what they think. Look, I'm give you a double standard kind of thing. In your house, in your all your relatives, everyone do it. Everyone people who talk this kind of thing. Oh, you shouldn't talk about it. They are shaming. Look, they are lusty people. Okay, people who talk about a very dignity and very honesty about that they are so pure. They are like दूध के धुले हुए. All are hypocrite. Do you know what is the hypocrisy? This is the hypocrisy. They have a 3 3 4 4 5 5 2 2 child, but they don't discuss about it. And some women, I have seen many women who pretend that they don't know anything. They don't know anything. These is the women who look like a very so Indian, so dramatic Indian. Indian TV serial Saas Bahu, all that thing look like very dramatic, but no one. But they look like that they don't know anything, and there are so many diseases. Look, this is the thing which start from when you will 14 and 15. Okay, when you will enter in 14 and 15, and you go to school 8 and 9th class, and you have to attract opposite gender. Okay, and look, books will not teach you, your teacher will not discuss you. Okay, look, I am giving you a very very human psychological thing. If you tell a kid that don't give your hand in fire, it will burn you. You know what? That children will do exactly this thing. So this is the thing which in India, thing is still a big taboo, that no one is talk about sex education, intercourse, condom, nirod. No one discuss about it. And look, if you really know these half of the fight, everyone in a house, what is the matter? This is the matter. This is the matter. Half of the you know that every house, when you see the pillow fight, This is the matter, this is the real matter. Not that you abuse my mother, you abuse your father. No, no, this is the matter. And no one talk about it because everyone is talk about their dignity. Everyone is talk about that how they pure they are, and some minor problem which they can solve, they don't want to solve it. Women don't know what they are talking, what they are speaking. So this is the thing. Look, if you are 14 and 15 and if you are attracted to opposite gender, and look, don't misconception, this is the boy, the girl, this gay and lesbian culture is not a cool thing. I'm telling you, it's not a cool thing. If you really think that these all are gay and lesbian, I mean these all are couple are very cool, and yes, no, it's not a normal thing. No, it's not a normal thing. A sex always between happen in a girl and a boy. Clear in your mind. If you are just boy and girl doing this kind of thing, you can be mentally sick. I'm telling you, don't do it, this kind of thing. This is the phenomenon. The natural intercourse always happen in a girl and a boy. Okay? Always happen in girl and a boy. This boy and this gay and lesbian, and look what we have learned from Hollywood movies. We have learned from Western culture. Look, these, if they are promoting this kind of thing, I really don't think so they are normal too. Okay? If you look and don't think, just this is the thing. Have you ever read Kam Sutra? This is the 5,000 old year book. 5,000 old year book. So if you are thinking these all are women, girls who are pretending that they are, you know what, very sanskari, Shuddha Charitra, Narivad, you see, all are hypocrite. This is the toxic feminism they are promoting it, okay? Yeah, that they are very pure, very virgin. Oh no. Kam Sutra, the book, and if you just visit the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa and all the Sindhu Ghati, you have seen that kind of statue, and that statue were old, 5,000 year old. The ancient technology we are living, even our ancient would talk this kind of thing very openly. And today you can see, modern world, 2026 modern India, people are suffering so many disease over every house. You just seen pillow fight because no one talk about it. But yes, we are the largest population of the whole world. Now we are the largest population of the whole world. India is number one. After India, that's China. And look, we don't have to compare with China because China is infrastructure, health, their metro city service. I mean, they are living in 100 years above. So don't compare with us China. Because this population, we are a largest population, and you are seeing, look, half of the Indian, I'm telling you a very great thing, 70% Indian don't know why they were born a baby. 70% Indian don't know why they are born a baby. They born a baby just because their parents tell them that you have to born a baby, because now you married, you did that Mangal Sutra and all the traditional thing, you did it, now you have to born a baby. So that's why they born a baby. If don't leave. All these are just hypocritic thing. All are just hypocrisy thing. Just talk with that thing properly, and just get full of educational from YouTube social side, and look, always buy a condom to a chemist any side. Never hesitate, never hesitate. And just talk very clear to your partner. And look, I'm telling you, this intercourse and this sex always between a girl and a boy, okay? The people who are doing this gay and lesbian, just come to them and sit to them. You always gonna fight they are just mentally challenged people, mentally sick people. So yes, if you are just think that you have clear so many doubt, and if you really think that you are my channel is very helping, and growing your skill. Look, why I'm talking about this, because just upgrade, you can upgrade your skill, okay? And look, to this year I will make a whole content of series. So just you can just how to solve a problem, how to you can talk a very proper English, all kind of things we will discuss about it. This can, and look, always just fit yourself. Always just fit yourself. Just be cool. Okay. So yes, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and please tell me in the comment section that. And look, one thing again I'm telling you. Okay, we will discuss. Look, 10 days topic. This is we will discuss tomorrow. More things. Okay, this is the topic which I think thinking that 10 or 15 days I have to give my audience. Thank you very much.